Alrighty, road trip in the Cabover. We're going to head about an hour north of here today and ride some back roads of Tennessee. And just put this old thing back to work for the first time in years. It's a beautiful day for what we're about to do. Alright, we're going to ride down the road here and grab some fence posts at a buddy's farm and ride the fence row and drop off these posts wherever he needs them.